What's growing? Andrew, Fairweather Farmer, and today we're talking about growing pumpkins. So, to know when to harvest your pumpkin, you want to actually look at the tendril, which is the little vine that spirals to grab onto things. The plant uses that to support it nearest to your fruit. And if the little tendril is brown and dead, that's a good indication that your gourd, your squash, your pumpkin is ready. But also size and color, so it depends on the variety. This one is fully orange, so it's clearly ready. This is a New England pie pumpkin, and this is a variety that's supposed to be about 4 to 8 pounds. So I can tell by looking at it and the size, it's right, the color is right. However, we're actually going to have a frost tonight, which means that we're coming in and we're hard picking. So we're actually going to be taking some pumpkins like this one, which are starting to ripen. They're a little bit green, it's immature, but it'll actually be able to cure and ripen in storage. And then to cure your pumpkins, you're going to want to keep them from about 20 to 27 degrees Celsius for about a week or two. That'll cure the pumpkin, because if you go with your nail right now and you're trying to cut into it, you might actually be able to wound the flesh, showing you that it's not cured. And when it's cured, if you scratch with your nail, you shouldn't be able to put a mark on the pumpkin. So go ahead and grow yourself some pumpkins and make yourself some really nice pie.